Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on the fog lights on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Switching the fog lights on can be different in every car. Follow the steps to learn how to turn on the fog lights on the Seat Arona. The light controls are to the left of and a bit lower than the steering wheel. With the dial in the auto or on position, pull the dial outwards. When it clicks one time, the front fog lights are switched on. You can see that the fog light symbol to the left lights up green. Pull out again to hear a second click and turn on the back fog lights. When the back fog lights are switched on, there is an orange fog light symbol lit up in the speedometer. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.